When music started up, we were trying to, back in the day, we were trying to raise a family, and I'm a school teacher. And you got to be creative, for your budget. So I started playing music, and they would give us free pizza. Like, ooh, free pizza. Seriously, right? And then like, oh, I got them $50. Woo! More toilet paper. Ooh, yeah! And then lo and behold, I'd be making more money than teaching, and I'd tell Elaine and Jeannie this. I'd be like, and I'm angry because they pay us more to play. No disrespect, but they pay us more to pay happy stoned people than teaching kids in Texas. And I'd be like, what the? That doesn't make any sense. But music has been a blessing to meet so many lovely people and create community. This is called See You on Sunday. While we were fighting for our own survival, not knowing the difference between, well, the good and the bad, or the weak and the strong. See you on Sunday, if not carry on. See you on Sunday, if not carry on. Standing at heaven's gate, there's a sign, it says too late, no entry. All full, doing tricks or just for kicks. Parking lots are in donut shops. Back in '92, we were fighting for our own survival, not knowing the difference between, well, the good and the bad, or the weak and the strong. See you on Sunday, if not carry on. See you on Sunday, if not carry on. I don't know how, we'll get out of this. I miss your touch, miss your taste, miss them kisses, all them kisses. We were fighting for our own survival, not knowing the difference between, well, the good and the bad, or the weak and the strong. See you on Sunday, if not carry on. See you on Sunday, if not carry on. Can't believe all the news today. My father's gone, he's passed away. Well, sorry, no goodbye. Left alone or within a room, far from friends and family whom loved him. Goddamn, they loved him. We were fighting for our own survival, not knowing the difference between, well, the good and the bad, or the weak and the strong. See you on Sunday, if not carry on. See you on Sunday, if not carry on. See you on Sunday now, join in the song. There you go.